Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the low latency mode on your Redmi Buds for Lite. So to do this, you just have to use the touch sensors and click and hold for like 2 seconds and then release. I can recommend you actually to put one of this earbud to your ear, because when you activate or deactivate the low latency mode, you will hear the voice, the sound notification. So we have to press on the both touch sensors. And right now we can hear the sound. I'm gonna put both earbuds, click and hold, and you will hear after holding like for the 2 seconds right here, this notification sound. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.